internal membrane allows us to perceive sound logarithmically in subset increments. So cross-disciplinary, is an analysis of one discipline within the context of another. But it requires an in-depth knowledge of that, the simultaneously of the second discipline.
And you have the fundamental color of the ocean itself. So the ocean has this fundamental color called the primary or the topological nurturing features. And they become disinhibited and they take on a new sort of language, a language that's prevalent among teenagers. Sometimes you'll meet some
440 hertz. That is the number of waves that occurs per cycle. Hertz was actually named after a person. When you double the frequencies, 440 hertz, you get 880. So you have a higher frequency, right? But it's the same sound.